What's up, guys? Hello. For today's video, we have unboxing. Ta-da! Oh, this is not mine. This is the lunch box for Alessia. Look, so the box is pretty. This is Jarlson. So Tony Jarlson, that is the name of this brand. So they have amazing cups, they have amazing water bottles. And look, this is so much pretty stuff. So inside is the lunch box. Oh, look, they have extra lock. Look, so Alessia shows me her extra lock, so we'll put that inside. So I'm gonna show you inside of this box. So look at, guys, the quality of this box. Even if you smash this on your head, it will remain intact. So this is a good quality, strong quality of product. And look, I will show you, aside from pretty pony, sorry, this is not pony, it's rainbow unicorn. Okay, guys, look, this is pretty thick, but here, look, here is silicone that will lock up the warmth of your food here. So, and the linings is very pretty. So look at here, these are the boxes. It can be washable by hands and in washing machine, dishwasher. My goodness, sorry guys. Okay, so it can be removed also, this one. This is also removable. Look, you can have sandwich here. Here you can make extra snacks. Or here you can put some sauce. And this one here, if you like some pretty little stuff, so you can divide it here. So a lot of pretty stuffs, especially the kids here, they like eating fresh veggies, so they can carrot, pepper, what is that, cucumber, tomato, so they can have everything in one place. So okay, guys, that is all for this video. So thank you so much for Alessia for letting me borrow his or her, not his, her lunchbox for me to unbox it. And thank you so much. And look at, guys, so if you are interested to buy this product, you can have it online via Amazon. So Jarlson is the best product, the best quality of product. Even my son have plenty of bottles from them. So guys, if you are interested, I will put the link on the description below. See you next time. Bye-bye.